Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: VS Code and a folder. Open the folder now and create index. HTML, this is your working file. Install Live Server and Prettier. Live Server previews changes, Prettier keeps markup consistent. Once done, set the default file association to HTML and enable autosave to avoid losing edits. Make sure your workspace uses spaces or tabs consistently in settings. Now save index HTML and move on to building the structure so you can see changes live as you code. Start with emit, type, and expand to scaffold doc type, head, and body. This saves minutes. Insert meta charset and viewport for compatibility. Once scaffolded, format on save so Prettier enforces your style automatically. Configure rules in settings. JSON for tabs, line length, and attribute ordering. Use the integrated terminal to run an HTML linter or style validator. This catches structural issues early. Make sure extensions have workspace access. Finally, open Live Server to confirm the base page renders correctly before adding content. Add your CSS and JavaScript links, then test on multiple viewports using the browser and Live Server. Use developer tools to inspect elements, monitor the console for errors, and profile network requests. That explains why resources might not load. If styles or scripts don't apply, check relative paths and confirm files are saved in the workspace. Make sure two extensions aren't conflicting. Disable one temporarily. One key tip: if Live Server fails, restart VS Code and verify the workspace folder is still open. That fixes most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.